Hi, I thought I would finish up a video on how to install a bike rack for your TimeOut tent trailer. And just wanted to show you, I just finished it up. I need to tighten the bolts, but wanted to show you all that I did. So here is my bike rack, and I want to show you just how sturdy that is. Pretty tight. So what I ended up doing is taking some channel iron or channel aluminum, and you can see that I put an L shape right in here. So I have it bolted with 2 bolts right there and there, and then on top bolted the rack on. And this is a Thule bike rack. Did the same back here. I've got an L-shape aluminum channel and 2 bolts, and then just 1 bolt there. These are 1/4 inch bolts with the lock nut on it. And then I put the straps on there. I was concerned that these channels, even though I've got this bracket here that holds it in place, I didn't want it to weaken the channel here. So I have these 2 straps, got those at Walmart. I will cut the excess strap off maybe to about here and call that good. But I'm quite pleased with that. I finally decided to do it down the center so that I can pack things on this side and I can pack things on this side. So there you have it. If you have any questions, go ahead and just post a comment. Thanks. Bye.